Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in a Pacific blue metallic paint finish and is the elevation trim. It includes features such as our heated front cloth bucket seats, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a power tailgate, lined truck beds, black assist steps, a trailer tow package with an integrated brake controller, an auto-locking rear differential, and much more. Now moving to the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, below are power mirror controls as well as our power windows. In the bottom of the door, some storage as well as our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have our tow haul mode as well as our transfer case settings to the left of the steering wheel. Below it, all of our lighting controls. Electronic park brake below that. You can see at the bottom we have our power controls. You can also see the seat here finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as all the settings for our heated steering wheel. Right-hand side, we have our hands-free settings and the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. We have AM/FM audio, our phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If we swipe to the right, we can see we have additional apps, including Amazon Alexa, climate controls. We also have our backup camera with our adaptive and our hitch guidelines. Below are some extra controls if we don't want to be using the touchscreen all the time. Then we have our dual zone front climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger below either of our climate controls. Then we have push to start ignition to the left. Across the bottom are parking sensors, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, control to turn on the various 115 volt plugs, downhill park assist. Then we have our integrated brake controller, a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 115 volt plug. We have some storage below that. Our two cup holders with our storage in the center. Center console, we can see we have storage on top, as well as our keyless fob. We have our locks and unlocks on the top, a remote starter, our power tailgate, and alarm button. Moving into the center console, we have a button on the front that we can push in. We have some deep storage, and on the front, an SD slot, USB-C, USB, and auxiliary input. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it's the same black cloth that was finished for our driver's seat, and both are heated in the front of the vehicle. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, rear check reminder, controls for our lights, the controls for our power third rear window, and lastly, a universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have an all-terrain tire with a black alloy rim with GMC center caps. Moving out, we have a black finished outside mirror, paint match door handles, a black assist step across the bottom. Back of the vehicle, we have our X31 badging, as well as our corner steps in black. You can see at the back of the vehicle, we have our GMC badging, as well as our Sierra and Elevation badging, dual chrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow package in the bottom. On the left-hand side, we have our backup camera, power tailgate that we can open with the click of a button and can see that it is auto opening. Inside the bed of the truck, we have in-bed lighting, 115 volt plugs, as well as our cable tie downs in the front and back. And we can see we have a lined truck bed. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control. In the bottom of the door, we have our storage as well as our speaker. Moving into the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver, as well as the back of the passenger seat. Between the two seats in our center console, we have two cup holders, our two vents, as well as a USB-C, USB, and 12 volt plug. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see we have three of them, all finished in our jet black cloth. In our center seat, we can see we have two foldable cup holders with storage in the middle. Behind it, a power sliding third rear window. In the outside of the seats, we have our storage compartments. Then lastly, we can flip up the bottom of the seats by simply pushing up on the bottom, and we have storage underneath and a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.